Years ago, I felt lost and powerless. My goals seemed impossible, and life felt like one long uphill battle. But then, I discovered the law of assumption. This profound concept teaches that what you persistently assume to be true becomes your reality. That discovery was the turning point. Slowly but surely, as I changed my inner world, my outer world followed. Obstacles melted away, and opportunities I'd never imagined appeared effortlessly. This isn't magic. It's about aligning your thoughts and beliefs with the reality you want. I'm here to guide you. Get ready to learn my powerful 3-step formula and unlock your potential to become the conscious creator of your destiny. So, what is this law of assumption I keep talking about? Well, it was a core teaching of the philosopher Neville Goddard. He believed that your imagination is the most powerful tool you possess. The law states that whatever you assume to be true, whether positive or negative, will eventually harden into your physical reality. How does this work? Let's put it this way. The world around you is a giant mirror, constantly reflecting your internal state. Your persistent assumptions about yourself, your life, and your capabilities mold the experiences you attract. If you believe deep down that you're unlucky or not good enough, that's what you'll continue to experience. But if you cultivate an unwavering assumption of abundance, success, or love, you shift your vibrational frequency to attract those very things. Remember the legendary book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill? He offers a famous exercise where you create a detailed written statement for a specific sum of money you desire, then read it aloud with absolute conviction twice a day. I did this, focusing on earning $300,000 in a specific time frame. At first it felt strange. My logical mind questioned the whole concept. But I persisted. Day after day, that number became etched into my consciousness. This constant focus unlocked a new level of determination within me. Opportunities I hadn't seen before began to appear. Ideas for projects and income streams flowed effortlessly. Slowly but surely, my actions and decisions aligned with that goal. And to my amazement, within the time frame I'd set, I reached and even surpassed my target. This experience cemented my belief in the power of the law of assumption's 3-step formula to manifest anything. Let me share it with you. Step 1. Propelling reality. The key to harnessing the law of assumption lies in focusing relentlessly on your desired end result. Neville Goddard emphasized the power of living as if your desires are already a reality in the present moment. It's about embodying the feelings of success, love, or whatever you want to manifest. Goddard taught powerful visualization techniques. He instructed his students to close their eyes and vividly imagine, in their mind's eye, scenes that implied the fulfillment of their goals. Not just seeing the pictures, but fully immersing themselves in the sights, sounds, smells, and, most importantly, the emotions of having their desire now. I've personally used this technique to manifest countless things, from perfect parking spots to unexpected income and dream collaborations. The key is to be consistent and inject those visualizations with genuine feeling. Letting go of the how. One of the hardest parts of this process is letting go of the need to control the how. A lot of us get fixated on figuring out the exact steps that will lead to our desired outcome. However, the universe often has far more creative and expansive ways of bringing things to fruition than we could ever imagine. When you release this need for control and fully trust that your desired reality is inevitable, that's when real magic happens. It's about cultivating that unshakable inner knowing that what you want is already yours. It's not a matter of if, but when. That unwavering faith, combined with the consistent practice of embodied visualization, sets the wheels of manifestation in motion. Step 2. Propelling the self. The law of assumption isn't just about what you want, it's about who you become in the process. To truly manifest your desires, You need to embody the version of yourself who already lives in that reality. This concept is echoed by modern thought leader Quasi. He teaches that your self-identity powerfully shapes your experiences. If you carry the subconscious belief, "I'm the kind of person who never has enough money," then that's what you'll continue to attract. However, if you shift your self-image to someone who is naturally abundant, your behavior, choices, and opportunities will align accordingly. How do we propel ourselves into this new identity? First, define your ideal self. Vividly visualize the kind of person you would be if your desires were already true. How would you walk, talk, and make decisions? Second, act as if. Start embodying this person now, even for a few minutes a day. Carry yourself with confidence, speak with conviction, and make choices that align with who you want to become. Friends, your external world conforms to your internal state. As you consistently project this new identity, you literally reprogram your reality, attracting circumstances and people who resonate with your elevated self. Step 3. Propelling the current frame. One of the cornerstones of success, as outlined by Napoleon Hill, is definiteness of purpose. When you have crystal clear clarity on where you're headed, it's far easier to harness the law of assumption to help you get there. Before you start envisioning or embodying your ideal self, take the time to truly define what you want. The more specific, the better. However, it's important to remember that the path to your goals may not always unfold exactly as you envisioned. That's okay. The key is to start moving in the general direction of your desire. As you take action, new insights, opportunities, and inspired ideas will inevitably appear. Think of it like sailing. You set a destination, but you must constantly adjust your course due to winds and currents. Similarly, when working with the law of assumption, stay responsive. Adjust your beliefs, visualizations, and behaviors as you gain clarity and momentum. Don't get discouraged if things don't materialize instantly. It's the cumulative effect of your focused thoughts, feelings, and actions that propel you forward. Trust that each step, however small, brings you closer to the embodiment of your ideal reality. Friends, let's turn these ideas into tangible steps you can start practicing today to become an empowered creator of your life. Exercise 1. Propel your reality. Write your goal. Take a few minutes to clearly define a specific goal you'd like to manifest. Use vivid language and make it as detailed as possible. Sensory immersion. Close your eyes and visualize a scene that implies your goal is fulfilled. Engage all your senses and immerse yourself in the emotions you'll feel when your dream is a reality. Practice this daily. Exercise 2. Propel yourself. Ideal self-profile. Create a written profile of the ideal version of you, the person who naturally attracts your desired goal. How do they think, feel, and act? Embody the feeling. Pick one quality from your ideal self-profile and embody it. Walk, speak, and make a few decisions as if you are already that person. Exercise 3. Propel your current frame. Momentum action. Choose one small action you can take today that helps you move closer to your goal. It doesn't have to be huge, just something that propels you forward. Remember, consistency is key. Even if you can only dedicate 5 to 10 minutes a day, the cumulative effect of these practices will be undeniable. Friends, which exercise resonates with you most? Let me know in the comments below and share your experiences as you put these techniques into action. Did these concepts ignite something within you? If so, give this video a big thumbs up, share it with someone you feel could benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more transformative content. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality. Let's explore this together. If you have specific questions or want to see more videos on the law of assumption, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep believing in the incredible potential within you.